Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and as we all know, if you go out and buy yourself a nice television like this LG C3, you need an audio system that can really keep up with it. So today, we're going to take a look at this LG Soundbar S95QR. Some of the benefits of having both of these together is creating a synchronization between the TV and the soundbar to unlock a feature called WOW Orchestra. With a compatible LG television and the soundbar, you're going to unlock the WOW Orchestra and the WOW Interface. You'll be able to use one remote control, and the TV speakers will work in combination with the LG S95QR soundbar. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know. Before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to LG for sponsoring this video. When the LG Soundbar S95QR arrived, I was very excited to get everything out of the box. After cutting the tape, I just pulled out all the components, and I will tell you that this is a robust system weighing in around 60 pounds. The main speaker is around 47 inches, and it includes multiple drivers such as a top-loading center channel, overhead speakers, and some front speakers for additional surround sound. You get two self-powered rear speakers that has multiple drivers even on top of them. Plus, you get a massive subwoofer with an 8-inch driver on it for that deep bass response. And I will tell you that each of these speakers are individually powered with their own amplifiers built right in. The system does come with instruction manuals, one HDMI cable, and it comes with brackets for the rear speakers and the main center channel if you want to mount it below your TV on the wall. And the remote control that comes with it has that glossy, shiny finish just like the televisions, and you have control of all your features including the volume, Bluetooth inputs, as well as some of your basic settings. And for connectivity, it has everything that you need. It has two HDMI 2.1s that can support up to 120 Hz. It has a HDMI eARC input, a USB, a fiber optic input, and you can use Bluetooth to connect your tablets or your smart device. And to connect this LG Soundbar S95QR to the television is very simple. All you need to do is plug it into the eARC connection on the back of your television with the supplied cable and plug the other side into the HDMI eARC, and then you'll get a pop-up on the screen to show you that it is connected and ready to go. Now we'll tell you that you can take this soundbar and hook it up to any type of television. But with the LG C3, we can unlock the WOW Orchestra just by using the application and connecting it to Wi-Fi so they start talking together. In order to do that, all you want to do is download the LG Soundbar application. Then you want to go into speakers and add one, connect it to Wi-Fi, and then after you go through a little settings, it'll go ahead and set everything up. And now the TV will see the speaker and open up this new menu system. So I want to open up the Home Hub to show you guys some of the benefits of the WOW Orchestra working with this television. First of all, at the bottom here, you can see that the WOW Orchestra is labeled there. And when we click on it, it brings up the WOW Interface. Now this interface will show all the connections of your devices, and you can see your sound mode as well as get easy access to your sound output settings. And the benefit of this is now you see the WOW Orchestra labeled here. It's going to allow the TV, speakers, and the soundbar to work together to create the best audio experience. And I really love the fact that if you select any of these settings, it will change the TV, speakers, and the soundbar together, so you don't have to configure two different devices. It's all synchronized together. Now let's talk about sound quality. Well, I will tell you that this system has 17 speakers and 810 watts of power. One of the great features I like about it is that it has a top-loading center channel, so it makes the dialogue appear that it's coming from your screen. Also in the rear speakers, it has upward firing speakers as well to create more of ambient sound. Now this system has all types of different formats that it supports, and that includes DTS:X, IMAX sound, Dolby Atmos, just to name a few. Because you're not here in the studio, it's hard to really demonstrate the sound quality of this system, but I will show you a quick demo, and the biggest thing is that it immerses you with audio and it has incredible bass response. Now, one of the number one reasons why this TV and the soundbar works together is because this C3 has the Alpha 9 AI processor in it. And it optimizes all the signal going over to the soundbar. And this is going to ensure that you get the most out of the 9.1.5 channels that this soundbar has to offer. Even though this system does come with remote control that I find very handy, I will tell you that the application unlocks some more potential out of the soundbar by giving you more controls. Additional to that, you can adjust the speakers and you can calibrate your room. So let's take a look. The app has features that you can control every aspect of this soundbar. For example, you can see all the devices that are connected to it, and you can do test signals to make sure that they're working properly. You can mute the sound, plus you can adjust the volume right here just by using this slider. And with the function, you can change any inputs with a touch of a button. One of the features that I really enjoy about this application is that you can go in here and put the soundbar in different modes according to what you're watching to get the optimized sound. There's a nighttime mode that reduces the intensity of the sound for late night viewing. And you can go into the sound settings and adjust all the different levels, including the woofer, the center channel, the overhead volume, rear speakers. Plus you can adjust the bass and treble controls. Another thing you can do is you can connect this soundbar to your Amazon account. And the great thing is, if you put your system into party mode, now you have a robust system that's going to play your music and give you that immersive sound in that particular room. So overall, I will tell you that this is a fantastic combination to have both of these devices connected. You get the WOW Orchestra, and with the synergy of the television, the sound quality is enhanced, unlike having a soundbar which is connected independently. You get the WOW interface, and I love this feature where you don't have to check all the connectivity on your speakers separately, and this allows you to easily control all your different settings. Plus, you have 17 speakers, 810 watts of power. If you guys want to learn more about this system, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.